The established County Lines business model is to get young people to act as mules, taking drugs, often on trains, from big cities to more rural areas. But how does that work in lockdown? The answer: dress children as key workers, use hire cars rather than trains, create deal areas in hospital or supermarket car parks where people are still gathering. We've heard from several sources that this is how the business has adapted.
If they were being transported using trains, if they were in public spaces, then they are definitely more visible. And that's why we've seen exploiters actually dressing children up, using outfits that are for key workers in order for them to pass without being noticed.
But Scotland Yard revealed today that a £25 million Home Office-led drive to tackle this drugs trafficking phenomenon has dented the business. This raid today on a line running from London to Kent and Hampshire is part of the biggest ever coordinated drive by UK police forces to disrupt what is estimated to be between 800 and 1,000 active lines across the country. As a result, in the last 6 months, 87 county lines have been taken out. That's around 10% of all active lines across 11 police forces. 183 people have been charged with drug trafficking. Arrests have been up 50% in lockdown compared with the same time period last year.
During the period of lockdown, we've used it as an opportunity to really target our drug dealers who are dealing in county lines. We have seen them change some of the ways that they are doing that. So we've seen a movement away from public transport with the restrictions around movement and perhaps more into cars, which provides more opportunities for us.
Police say fewer children have been reported missing, but whilst vulnerable children are no longer in school and less visible to social workers, children's charities still worry they've been out of sight for long periods. Home stress from lockdown and mental health challenges could all drive them into the wrong hands. Jason Farrell, Sky News.